Hey, welcome to Baby Cook That Thang. Today we're making 2-ingredient banana pancake. Pancakes. Cakes of pan. Nothing is better in this world. Look how fluffy and delicious these are. Now, believe it or not, as I said, it's just 2 ingredients. You just want to get some really ripe bananas. And you don't want it insanely ripe. You know, if they're too ripe, you get some funky pieces in there, but you could just remove those and then just mash them up. So these are 3 bananas. Mashing these guys up. Anyone can do this. You can do this with your kids. Just wash their hands. And for each banana, you want to add 1 egg. There you go. Crack an egg. You might want to crack the eggs, not your kids. And get it in there, mix it up, mixy mix. And that's it. This is actually so fun. You know, it's very therapeutic. You're mixing, you're stirring, you're seeing it all become one, as the world should be, in love and peace. Now, mix it up, mix it very well, and once your mixture is all one and cohesive, add some oil to a pan and let it heat up, and add some butter as well. Nothing like some good butter frying. So let that guy melt a little bit so it's a little hot and you have somewhere to put your mixture in. And then all you need is 4 of these spoonfuls, or maybe a ladle probably would have been smarter. So get a ladle. And just shape it into a nice little pancakey shape. And that's it. Seriously, that's all you need. You need these guys to heat up a bit, and then you want to flip them. Now, a good thing to do would be to get a spatula, and then you don't end up doing this stupid crap that happened right there. But if you're confident with flipping the flippity flap, then check this out right here. Ooh, oh, you can do that. Whatever, you can just fix this, guy. It's not the end of the world. That's what I did. And it ain't pretty, but let me tell you, this is the best thing in the world. They are so good. They taste almost exactly like real pancakes and very fluffy. And you can hook these guys up with like other stuff like blueberries or some chocolate. I cut up some chocolate there. I find that this is even better than chocolate chips. It has, you know, a more like milk chocolatey flavor. So get yourself some chocolate pieces and do the same exact thing. So you just put your chocolate in your pancake, and let me tell you, this is the best thing in the world. Okay, what's happening back there? I don't know, but let's give this a taste. 1, 2, 3. Yes, yes, yes.